From the world of celebrities, American rapper and model Rubirose has revealed that she would only consider dating or marrying a man who earns at least $5 million annually. Speaking during a recent live stream with Andy Ross, the music star explained that she has financial standards for her ideal partner, stating that men also have their preferences when choosing women. A potential date should be rich, at least as much money as I have. He should make at least $5 million per annum, she stated. Ruby Rose further justified her stance by comparing financial preferences to physical appearance. Men won't date ugly girls, so I don't want to date a broke guy. My man should make at least $5 million yearly, and I don't want a man that is into illegal dealings.
To be rich.
Like at least as much money as I have. We were literally just having this conversation outside.
What's like the minimum? What's the minimum number like yearly he got to be able to bring in? Just so people know.
Like hopefully, I don't know. Like
no, say it.
I don't want to seem shallow.
Okay. You got a standard.
Okay. Like hopefully, like at least like $5 million.
A year?
A year.
Yeah.
God damn.
Okay.
It's like, and not to seem shallow, but you guys probably wouldn't date an ugly girl, right? No. So I don't want to date a broke nigga.
Well,
what is but broke is $3 million a year or $4?
Wait, they got it. So he's got to make $5 million a year. How much is that a month?
I don't know.
So
I just
like
said
$400K a month.
About 4 to 5.
Estimate.
Okay, and you don't care what they do as long as they're bringing in their own shit.
No, I care. I don't want any illegal activity.
Okay, so no trapping.
No scamming.
No
scammers.
No.
Dope dealing.
No.
None of that.
None of that.
They got to be like an actual legitimized business.
Something, yes.
Okay.
Her comments have sparked debate on social media, with many questioning the feasibility of her dating standards. While some fans supported her right to financial boundaries, others criticized her for being unrealistic. What's your opinion about her comments? You can drop it in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.